I've got a really interesting plant in one of the greenhouses. It's usually outside, but I do put it in the greenhouse during winter, although to be honest there's not really any need because they are quite hardy, and it's a tropical plant and they can grow really big. So I don't think I've ever shown it before, so let's go and have a look at it and I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing with it. So this is that plant I was talking about. And as I said, it is a tropical plant, and it's called a Tetrapanax or a T-Rex plant. It is a tropical plant, but it can stand temperatures as low as -10, which for a tropical plant is pretty amazing. They're very low maintenance as well. And what happens is, in this country anyway, during winter all these leaves will fall off and it will just leave that woody stem right there. A few weeks ago there was no leaves at all on this plant, and in that short space of time these have grown just since it's warmed up. But what's even better about this plant is it sends out suckers from its root system, which then surface and turn into baby T-Rex plants. And you can propagate these, you can cut them from the main root system and then plant them on, and then you've got another one. And they are quite fast growing plants as well. So what we're going to be doing with this, since it's been in this pot for actually quite a while, I think what we're going to do is we're going to take it out at some point and we're going to plant it in that new beer garden area that we've got, because I know that that's really nutritious soil, because we kept chickens on it for about 2 years. Since then obviously it's been dug over and we've regrassed it, and I think this would make an amazing centerpiece. And obviously once it's in the ground it's going to grow even bigger, because these leaves can get massive. So as I say, I think that might be an idea of something to do maybe in a week or so's time. But yeah, T-Rex plant, amazing, very hardy plants. And we're going to plant it on this area where we're trying to make this beer garden. Just need to decide where to put it, because they do need full sun. They can tolerate actually partial shade, and they're also not really fussy about the grounds that they're planted in. So we'll have a think about it, and I think this year we're going to get it out of that pot, try and separate that baby one to grow on, and get it in here and see what size we can get it to. I was thinking maybe against that fence would look pretty cool, because we have got a tree above us, and when wind gets up there's always branches falling off that tree in this area, so maybe over there a bit best place. So as you saw, a pretty amazing plant, and very, very hardy to be able to withstand temperatures as low as -10, considering it's a tropical plant. But now we've got a little plan for it this year. I think it's definitely time it came out and we got it somewhere so it can grow even bigger, and I think that is probably going to be the best place. Anyway, thanks for watching that. If you want to see what we do with this plant in the next week or so, then just hit that subscribe button and press the notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next video. You all take care.